Dan Brown.
Oh, great. We have the first speaker of Book Reading Club, Miss Sujata. She can go ahead. This is the reward, and I will be waiting for the people who has prepared. They can, punch in their name. So the first speaker is Sujata.
Oh, I was not expecting this to happen. Since I read these two books, so I knew the author's name. So to start with, since this is the first book reading club, last book reading club, what we did was we discussed upon what our goal looked like in 2020 and what we have in our plates for 2021. So as mentioned in the last year's last book reading club, that I have a goal to read at least minimum 12 books this year. So I have started with 2 books. So the first book which I am reading right now is from John C. Maxwell, The Intentional Living. So I was, I had read this book, but I was very surprised to know that, whenever I try to read another time the same book, I learn something new. And in this book, what I learned was 3E, that experiment, experience, and explore. So what do we mean by this? So everyone want to, find out purpose of their life. Everyone is looking for a purpose. But how do you find your purpose of your life? Whenever you don't know, like, whether this is the opportunity for you. For example, someone would have reached out to you for this book reading club also. So how you have decided? You experimented with it, right? When you experimented with it, you experienced, and right now you are exploring it. So opportunities come your way this way only, in from somewhere you don't expect it to come. But until and unless you are not ready to go through these 3E, you'll not be able to accept that opportunity. So every opportunity is worth exploring, but before exploring you need to experiment with that and experience the same. Then only you will be able to change anything in your life. And before you change anything, like, if before adding value to others life, try to add value to your life. This is what I learned from this book, The Intentional Living by John C. Maxwell. And hence I am trying to live the same and trying to explore each and every opportunity by experimenting and experiencing the same. With this, I'm done.
Awesome talk. As Vijay was also talking, that growth is always intentional. And of late, I was listening to Jack Ma, and the news is around that he is missing in China. So Jack Ma also told that means if you want to do something great, the first thing what you see in every problem, that there is an opportunity. Because if the problem is there, so there must be some solution to it. So it is the way how you look at the problem. If you can see opportunity in the problem, the chances are high that you're going to solve the problem and you're going to get reward out of it. So the point is, our perspective will change what we're going to do in our life. So with this, we have our second speaker of the day, Saket. Go ahead.
Thanks, Chandan. I'm audible, Chandan?
Yeah.